Good afternoon, Devin. I wanted to put a quick video together. It doesn't take much time of our capabilities, so you can see exactly what we're capable here of at DTM Architect. I'll start out with our basic layout. We have already had an intern with some extra time, so I had him input the CAD files into our Revit systems, and as you see here, we have the floor plan. The shadows are displayed. That's what those lines are. Let me go to the next phase, or part of this project. I'll close that down. I'll pop this guy open. What we have here is how we actually work. This is the 3D model. Okay, we can spin it, rotate it. We work and build through it. For example, I'll just throw a wall in here. There's a wall in the parking lot. That's how we build. So we're actually building the 3D project, which is pretty amazing. And it also alleviates a lot of mistakes you have in 2D. Not only that, it is extremely fast. I'd say approximately one Revit draftsman has the speed of at least 4 CADsmen, as I'll show here in a minute. One major factor creating that acceleration. Okay, here we go. Now we have the 3D model. As you can see, we're able to chop it, dice it, roll it, whatever you want to do with it, and view it from any angle. So we just chopped to the top of the building to view it that way. Well, why don't we do a section through it? Now we can look into the building. We can see issues that might arise, and not only that, we can visualize it very well. Helps to sell buildings, helps to give good presentations to the cities. We've really had great success in dealing with cities. In fact, we were presenting to Dallas a large structure 2 days ago, and we have a top-end plotter here with top-end paper. We've got color presentation to them. They were actually passing the drawings around in the city. I thought that was rather cool, to tell you the truth. One last part here I want to show you is the capability of Revit. Something very amazing with Revit is everything's tied together. And I hope you might know about Revit, but if not, this may help. Say for example, I want to delete these windows. This is the elevation of the building over here on this side. You see, this elevation here is tied to this model. So when we're working and we want to say delete some windows, well, I deleted the windows here, and they deleted over here, and they deleted out of every other drawing that have those windows in them. Not only that, they deleted out of the window schedule, so the window schedule no longer has those windows. I undo, it comes back, it goes back in the window schedule, everything. So once you move one item in Revit, you move every item. In CAD, I'd have to go to each drawing and update each drawing, possibly 15 different drawings, so you can see the speed advantages there. Let me go to the next stage of technology we have. This stage is I'm rather proud of, actually. I wrote the plugin myself. It goes into Revit. It's proprietary. No one else has it. But what we have here is an Arby's in Lubbock, which was a franchisee sent to us by Arby's Corporate, of which we're the preferred architect. So we get sometimes one-time off franchisee owners, and this guy has 2, I believe, and this is the second, and he wanted to visualize it and walk through it. We told him we can definitely do that. So we built a website for him, and he was able to go in and walk through and look at his structure. He could see how the seating was, the layout, if it was going to be workable for the the dining area, serving area, even go into the kitchen area and look out and see the view angles and whatnot, where they can see. And beyond that, the kitchen. We actually have, these are all generalized kitchen equipment pieces that match in dimensions the actual pieces in the structure. So we could walk around and see if things fit or if they don't fit and whatnot. And we can apply this to anything. We've also done this for storage centers, so we could have you could kind of generally see how far you had to walk to get to your areas and whatnot, and not just have a piece of paper. You actually feel like you're there. Now the next stage I can't really put on this video. I plan on updating our website, of which we do have a new website I'd like you to check out if you get a chance. I recommend not using Internet Explorer, as it's not as advanced as the other browsers, and you want to get the best experience on our website at dtmarc.com. It's dtmarc.com, so dtmarc.com. But what I hope to show on there is our virtual reality. You can actually take the same program you see here, put on our Oculus Rift headset and headphones, and walk through the structure. Physically walking, virtually walking through the structure. It gives a great idea of space. It really helps present an idea to people, and I think it's pretty cool. It's the next stage, next step. We here are on the cutting edge of technology, and I hope to help you out on the Phoenix project and any other projects you have. I'm getting together materials right now. I have Brian Bramlett collecting projects and photos of addresses and old projects we've done, and we have quite a few to choose from. We are nationwide, and we've been in business for quite some time. Have a good day, and